going on, YouTube family? I got another awesome review video for you today. Guess what it is this time? It's the awesome Gowutar HHC-17G green dot sight for handguns. So today I'm going to be mounting this Gowutar green dot handgun sight on my Sig Sauer P365 handgun, and then we're going to come out here and do some blasting on my backyard range. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you what's in the box, go over all the features, and then we're going to mount it on my Sig Sauer P365, and then we're going to come out and test it out in the backyard range. This is a great budget-friendly, all-around sight for your handgun. Definitely well worth it, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. Don't go anywhere. Everybody's favorite time, unboxing. It's like Christmas morning. Go to GowutarTactical.com to check out this site, and they got a whole bunch of other awesome sites too. But this is a very budget-friendly site. They got a lot more elaborate ones. You know, they got multicolor and everything else. And they got ones for rifles too. So check out GowutarTactical.com. And once again, this is the Gowutar HHC-17G green dot handgun sight. Let's get into it. And we got the instructions. Go over those in a minute. Looks like we got a lens wipe. Here's the sight. The guy's got a nice, I did it off, nice rubber cover on it. Very nice. Put that down there. See what else is in the box. We got a screw pack. There's a little tiny screw. Let's see what that's for. And we got some Allen wrenches too. So we should have everything we need to put it on the Sig Sauer P365. See what else we got here. And we got the battery. Alright, so it looks like the battery is side loading, and they give you a flathead screwdriver on the end of this, one of the Allen keys they provide. So it looks like they provide everything you need to put it on the handgun. Don't lose the screw. Okay, so you just put the battery in the tray with the plus side up. And you slide it back in. Alright, so I took the bolts out of my top cover plate. I'm just going to remove the cover plate. And then the red dot comes with a Picatinny rail mount. I took the Picatinny rail mount off the green dot. It gives you the option of using a Picatinny mount or using the direct mount like this. I'm using direct mount. So I'm just going to mount this right in the spot and then snug up the bolts. Alright, so what's good is with this kit, they give you a whole bunch of different size mounting bolts that will mount to your handgun. I mean, not bolts, the screws. The screws that were holding the sight to the Picatinny rail were too big for my handgun. So they give you a whole bunch of different screws in the accessory bag so you can mount this on different handguns. So I got the green dot sight all mounted up on my P365. the gun is empty. There's nobody else here with me. To turn it on and off, use the arrow buttons on the side. The up button turns it on. Bottom, down pointing arrow turns it off. And to adjust the brightness, you use the up arrow. So as far as some of the features go, it's got an automatic timeout. It's got a shake awake. The elevation adjustment screw is right there. And the windage screw is on the side. So the instructions say it's pretty much set at factory. It should be good to go, but you may need to adjust it. So if you need to adjust the windage adjustment or the 0 settings, use the top and the side adjustments. So this sight is waterproof, shockproof, and fogproof. So that's basically it for all the features. Here it is mounted on my P365. Like I said, gun is empty. So let's get out to the range and have some fun. All right, so I got the Gowutar green dot sight installed on my 6-hour P365 handgun. I'm out of my backyard range. It's a closed range. There's nobody else here with me. It's safe, secure, and there's not another house behind me for miles. So we're good to go. So let's check out the sight, see how it goes. To turn it on, you push the button, the up button on the side. So give it a go, see what happens. So it's pretty accurate. I haven't been shooting in a while. I had double carpal tunnel surgery on both hands, so I haven't really been shooting in a while, so I'm a little rusty. I haven't really shot since probably last summer, but anyway, it is pretty accurate. I did like a little group setting on the target going up and down. So it's definitely good, definitely a budget-friendly sight. It hasn't loosened up. And the green dot is pretty visible. All right, did pretty good for not shooting in almost a year. Anyway, the sight still nice and tight. The Gowutar HHC-17G green dot. Definitely highly recommended. Great, friendly, budget friendly sight. Price point a little over $100, I think it was. So, got a great field of view. The dot, I'm out in the bright Florida sun. The dot is still able to see, I can see the dot pretty good. All right, so that's a wrap for the Gowutar HHC-17G green dot optic sight. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to get over 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, which is like 2 months. So Please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And make sure you check out my playlist. I got something for everybody. I just don't have firearms. I got cycling, kayaking, DIY. I mean, you name it, I got it. I got drone aerial videos. I got hurricane videos. I got something for everybody. I got shorts. I got farm animal visits. I got a little something for... You can watch me feed bananas to Buster, the cow. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments section. I'll see you on the next one.